Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Canon 70-200mm f/2.8L is probably one of the most sought-after telephoto zoom lenses in the professional photography world, renowned for its exceptional image quality, robust build, and versatile focal range, making it a go-to choice for a wide array of photographic applications from breathtaking portraits to dynamic sports action and even stunning wildlife shots, all while delivering consistently sharp results and beautiful bokeh that elevates your creative vision. Number 5. Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS III USM Lens. Capture stunning images with this professional telephoto lens. Its constant f2.8 aperture delivers exceptional performance in any lighting condition. Experience incredible image quality thanks to advanced coatings that minimize ghosting and flare. You'll achieve sharper, more vibrant photos every time. Don't let camera shake ruin your shots. With up to 3.5 stops of image stabilization, you can confidently shoot handheld, even in challenging situations. This lens is designed for durability. Its dust and water-resistant construction, along with fluorine coatings, ensure reliable performance in harsh environments. Achieve precise focus with the inner focusing system and ring ultrasonic motor. Its advanced optical elements deliver outstanding image quality with a minimum focus distance of just 3.9 feet. This comprehensive kit includes the lens caps, a lens hood, and a protective case. Everything you need to start capturing incredible photos is right here. What we like. This lens offers a constant f2.8 aperture, perfect for low-light situations and achieving beautiful bokeh. If you're a professional event or wedding photographer who needs consistent performance in challenging lighting, this is your go-to. Its exceptional image quality and durable construction mean you can rely on it for critical shoots. What people say. The Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM Lens is a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens that offers exceptional image quality and versatility. Its constant f2.8 aperture allows for excellent low-light performance and beautiful background blur, making it ideal for portraits and event photography. The lens features a durable, weather-sealed construction, ensuring reliability in various shooting conditions. Number 4. Canon EF 70-200mm f4L IS II USM Lens. Introducing the Canon EF 70-200mm f4L IS II USM Lens. This lens is designed to elevate your photography with its exceptional features. Experience incredible stability with optical image stabilization that corrects up to 5 stops of shake. This ensures sharp, clear images even in challenging shooting situations. Achieve outstanding image quality thanks to its advanced optical design. It features one fluorite element and 2 UD elements to minimize aberrations and deliver stunning clarity. This lens is built to perform in any environment. It's highly resistant to dust and water, offering improved durability even in harsh conditions. Benefit from 3 image stabilization modes for versatile shooting. Mode 3 is particularly effective when tracking moving subjects and assists with panning. Get closer to your subjects with a shortened minimum focusing distance of approximately 3.3 feet. The circular aperture creates beautiful, soft backgrounds for professional-looking shots. What we like. With up to 5 stops of image stabilization, this lens excels in handheld shooting and capturing sharp images even at slower shutter speeds. If you prioritize portability and need excellent stabilization for travel or wildlife photography, this is an outstanding choice. Its advanced IS modes also make it great for tracking moving subjects. What people say. The Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM Lens is a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens. It features a constant f2.8 maximum aperture, which is excellent for low-light photography and achieving shallow depth of field. The lens incorporates 4 stops of image stabilization, IS, helping to reduce camera shake for sharper images, especially at longer focal lengths or in slower shutter speeds. Number 3. Altura Photo 77mm Lens Filter Kit. Elevate your photography with this comprehensive 77mm lens filter kit. It includes everything you need to protect your lens and enhance your images. This kit features essential filters, a UV protector for clarity, a CPL polarizer to reduce glare and enhance colors, and an ND filter for controlling light. Crafted with high-quality optical glass, these filters ensure exceptional image quality and durability. They are designed to fit your 77mm lenses perfectly. Keep your filters safe and organized with the included padded protective pouch. It's ideal for storage and makes traveling with your gear effortless. These filters are designed for all 77mm camera lenses. Simply verify your lens's thread size, marked with a O symbol, to ensure a perfect fit. Use them to safeguard your valuable lenses from scratches and dust, or to achieve creative effects like reduced reflections and better exposure control. What we like. This is a comprehensive filter kit designed to protect your lens and enhance your images. If you're looking for an affordable way to add UV protection, control reflections with a polarizer, or manage exposure with an ND filter, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for beginners and enthusiasts who want to experiment with different creative effects and safeguard their gear. What people say. The Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM lens is a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens that offers exceptional image quality and versatility. Its f2.8 maximum aperture allows for excellent low-light performance and beautiful background blur, making it ideal for portraits and event photography. The lens features built-in image stabilization, IS, which helps to reduce camera shake and allows for sharper images when shooting handheld or in challenging lighting conditions. Number 2. Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM Lens. Capture stunning images with this professional telephoto zoom lens. Its versatile focal length and wide aperture offer exceptional control over depth of field. Experience unparalleled image quality thanks to its advanced optical construction. It features fluorite and UD elements to minimize aberrations and deliver sharp, clear results. Achieve precise focus effortlessly with the inner focusing system and ultrasonic motor. You also have the flexibility of full-time manual focus for fine-tuning. From expensive landscapes to intimate portraits, this lens adapts to your needs. Its wide angle of view ensures you capture the entire scene or isolate your subject. Enhance your creative possibilities with extender compatibility. This lens is designed to grow with your photographic journey. Crafted with premium materials, it's built to withstand the rigors of professional use. Its robust design ensures reliability in any shooting environment. What we like. This lens delivers a bright f2.8 aperture for excellent low-light performance and subject isolation. If you need a professional-grade lens for portraits, events, or any situation where shallow depth of field is desired, this is a fantastic option. Its robust L-series construction ensures reliability in demanding environments. What people say. The Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM lens is a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens that offers excellent image quality and versatility. Its f2.8 maximum aperture allows for shooting in low-light conditions and provides a shallow depth of field for beautiful bokeh. The lens features a robust build quality and is weather-sealed, making it suitable for use in challenging environments. Number 1. Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM Lens. Capture stunning images with exceptional clarity and detail. This professional-grade lens is designed to bring your subjects closer with its powerful zoom. Experience superior image quality thanks to its advanced optical elements. It minimizes aberrations and delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors. Achieve sharp, blur-free photos and videos with its advanced image stabilization. It effectively compensates for camera shake, even at slower shutter speeds. Its ultrasonic motor ensures rapid and silent autofocus performance. You can also take manual control whenever inspiration strikes. This lens is engineered to withstand challenging conditions. Its robust construction offers dust and moisture resistance for reliable use anywhere. Create captivating portraits with beautifully blurred backgrounds. The circular aperture produces smooth, pleasing bokeh for a professional look. What we like. This lens provides a fast f2.8 aperture and advanced 2-mode image stabilization for sharp, clear shots. If you're a sports or wildlife photographer who needs to freeze action and maintain image quality in various conditions, this lens is a superb choice. Its dust and moisture resistance means you can shoot with confidence, even in less than ideal weather. What people say. The Canon EF 70-200mm f2.8L IS II USM lens is a professional-grade telephoto zoom lens. It features a constant f2.8 maximum aperture, which is excellent for low-light photography and achieving shallow depth of field. The lens incorporates 4 aspherical elements and 5 special low dispersion (UD) elements to minimize chromatic aberrations and distortion, ensuring sharp and clear images across the zoom range. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.